Welcome to SSIT lectures. This video explains how to connect to an Oracle database. After successful installation of the Oracle database, we need user interface tools to interact with the database. User interface tools are used to manage the data in the database by executing SQL PLSQL commands. The most popular tools available for Oracle database are SQL Plus and SQL Developer. SQL Plus is a command line tool that is available along with the Oracle database, so it does not require any separate installation. After successful installation of Oracle database, this SQL Plus can be invoked directly from the command line. The next one is the SQL Developer. It's an GUI based IDE freely available, which is provided by the Oracle itself. It has to be separately downloaded from the Oracle website. SQL Developer does not require installation. Simply we have to download the zip file and we have to unzip the file. In that we have to choose the SQL Developer folder. Within that we have to choose bin folder. There we will have an SQL Developer.exe. From there we can straightly open the SQL Developer. To connect to any Oracle database, we need three things. They are user account name, that is user, and password for that account. And the third one is the database name or connect identifier. If there exists only one database in the system, we can simply skip specifying the database while connection. Next we will see how to use the SQL Plus command to connect to an Oracle database. The syntax for this command is SQL Plus space user /password, which is optional, at database. It's better to avoid specifying password in the command line itself. So simply we can use SQL Plus space user at database. For instance, in this example, we are using the user HR and the database SS, HR at SS. Next, we will see how to open SQL Plus from the command line. In Windows, open command prompt as usual you open. Then in the prompt, if you have successfully installed the DBE, if you just type SQL Plus space the username at database. Here the username is HR and the database is SS, so the command will be SQL Plus space HR at SS. It shows the currently installed Oracle database version and the system's current date and time. Since we have not entered the password, it prompts us to enter the password. After entering the password, if we have entered the valid credentials for the user, it shows an SQL prompt. SQL greater than symbol, this is called SQL prompt. Here we can enter any SQL PSQL statements. Now we have connected to an Oracle database as HR user. We can verify by entering the command called show user, show space user. This command specifies the user used to connect to the Oracle database. So the output for this command is user is HR. The next command we are going to see is clear screen, which clears the SQL window. The shortcut for this command is CL space SCR. After entering this command, you can see the screen is cleared. To disconnect from the Oracle database or to quit from the SQL Plus, the command used is exit. After entering exit, we are disconnected from the Oracle database. It displays that you are disconnected from the Oracle database with the version, and it shows the DAS command prompt. To exit from the DAS prompt, we can simply type exit. Next we will see how to use an SQL developer to connect to an Oracle database. After opening an SQL developer, it shows a connections tab at the left hand side. Within the connections tabs, you can see a list of available connections. Since I have already created many connections, it shows a list of available connections. If you have not created any connections, then it will be blank. To create a new connection, we have to choose that connections, right click, select new connection from the menu. Then it displays new select database connection. Here we are going to enter the connection credentials. In connection name, we can specify any connection name that can be used to identify this user. The next one is the username. Here we are going to enter username for this database is HR, and the password. There is one checkbox named save password. If we uncheck this save password, whenever we try to open this connection, it prompts us to enter the password. If we have checked it, then it simply connects to the database as a specified user. The next we are going to enter is connect identifier, that is the DB. For that we have to choose SID. In that SID we are entering the database SS. Then we can check whether we are able to connect to the database by using the test button. If we click the test button, if we have entered the valid credentials, then it shows the status success that can be seen in the bottom left side, status : success. Then we can click the connect button. After clicking the connect button, now you are connected to the Oracle database as HR user with the connection name SIL. This can be seen in the connections tab. There you can see a plug symbol which denotes that you are currently connected to the database with the connection name SIL. Right part of the window we can see a white screen. This is called worksheet. Here we can enter the SQL and PLSQL commands. Here, to know the currently connected user, we are going to use the same command, show user, show space user. Here you can see the difference how the command is showed from the SQL Plus and SQL Developer. Here the keywords and the user specified values are shown in different colors. This is called syntax coloring. And after entering this command, we can execute the command by pressing F5, or we can choose the run script from the menu at the top. The output for this command is shown in the script output window at the bottom. The output is user is HR. One thing you can also note that the worksheet namespace shows the connection name. Next we are going to see is how to clear this worksheet. For this we can use the clear from the menu at the top right, or we can simply press Ctrl D. Similarly, to clear the script output, we can choose the clear, which is shown as pencil eraser, or simply you can press Shift Ctrl D. Then to disconnect from this current connection, choose SIL from the connections tab, right click, select disconnect. Now you are disconnected from the database. To quit this SQL developer, press Alt F4 or select File menu. From that choose Exit. This video explained how to connect to Oracle database using SQL Plus and SQL Developer. Thank you for watching SSIT lectures.